friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Jeanette. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I would love to have you here. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel. I appreciate it. And today's video is I'm going to make a Korean recipe. So it's called japchae. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I think I am. But you can check it out. So I started by putting the pot on the stove to boil the water for the noodles. And I started washing and preparing all the vegetables. And while doing that, I'm also watching TV. So I'm done cutting all of them, and here are the ingredients, which is one of them is glass noodles or sweet potato noodles that I got from the Asian store. And I have coconut aminos instead of soy sauce, and I have salt and black pepper. And then on this side I have the white onions and green onions or scallions. I have carrots and the sweet peppers. And here I have the meat, which is beef, and I have mushrooms. And I have, of course, spinach. I love spinach. It's very good for you. Alright, and guess what, guys? I actually forgot to marinate the meat before I even start everything. Anyways, so I marinated it. Instead of 30 minutes, I just marinated it for 15 minutes because I can't afford to marinate it for 30 minutes. I already started everything. So to marinate, you just need a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, your minced garlic, and black pepper, and leave it in the fridge. And then, since the water is already boiling, I started putting the noodles in. And there you go. So now I'm gonna start boiling the spinach for just 10 seconds. fry the egg. So the spinach is done and the egg is done, and I'm gonna cut the egg into strips like this. So now we're gonna start sauteing all the vegetables. We're doing a lot of progress now. So I started with the onion first, and then next the carrots, and I'm gonna be putting the sweet peppers next, and I'm gonna have the scallions last. Also, if you've noticed, I added a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And now I'm gonna start the meat. So there you go, I'm almost done. And I think Faith is getting hungry. Did you guys see her? Oh my gosh, guys, it smells really good, I'm telling you. And now I'm gonna start putting the meat and the mushrooms. Vegetables is done, and I'm just waiting for this meat and mushrooms. When the meat looks like this, it means it's already done. So we're done. Don't worry guys, I wash my hands repeatedly. I don't know what I was thinking. Why I did not use the big mixing bowl instead I used this very small one. Next time, I'm gonna use the big one. guess I need to hurry because Faith is very hungry now. I think she's really starving. Here you go, guys. It's ready to eat. Let's see what will Faith say.
It's pretty good.
And of course, guys, Sock, she always wants food, right? She's always there next to me or next to us when we are eating. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to share, you can share it to your friends. And till the next video. Bye!